Welcome back to 99 Reviews with another interesting video about automatic wallpaper shuffle in iPhone. So let's start the video. First you have to open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and open wallpaper. Here, scroll down again. You can see photo shuffle option, tap and open it. Here are some options. To set nature-related pictures, select nature. It will make a shuffle of pictures related to nature, and to add cities-related wallpapers, select the second option, cities. There is another option, albums. If you want to add your own pictures, then select this album option. Shuffle frequency is the time when wallpaper changes. You can set this to daily, hourly, and even on tap or lock. Featured photos are those pictures which appeared here, so you can use these pictures as wallpaper shuffle. The last option is selecting pictures manually. Here you can select it manually to appear on your wallpaper screen. So this is the method of setting auto shuffle wallpaper on your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.